Hello, my beautiful glam fam. Welcome back. I pray that you're in good spirits, that you have peace and joy, and that you're optimistic about life despite anything that you're going through, okay? Before I get started, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I would really appreciate it. Voila, here it is. You're probably wondering, Misty, what on God's green earth is this? Hold your horses, I'm about to tell you, okay? It's my little secret. Anyway, I call this the Chickpea Good Stuff Mask. It's a perfect facial mask that's going to help cleanse, moisturize, tone, and firm up your skin. It's going to help reduce pores. Also, it acts as an anti-acne agent. It's going to help clear up your dark spots if you have hyperpigmentation. Also works well on acne scarring too. So let me go ahead and give you all the ingredients I mixed together to make this pasty mask. First, I use chickpea flour. Chickpea flour is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, E, and K. Also, it's rich in iron, magnesium, and potassium, okay? All this is going to really give you the proper nutrients your skin needs just to fight off free radicals. Also, it's good sun protection as well, okay? Also, I mixed in, with chickpea flour, I used 2 tablespoons of it. And I put that in this little jar here, along with 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee is a great natural stimulant. It's going to help reduce puffiness. If you have inflamed skin or acne, it's going to help heal your acne and just give you an overall, skin glow and those rosy cheeks, okay? Also, I add in 1 teaspoon of honey, raw honey. Honey is going to help, again, hydrate, moisturize, and just give you that overall dewy, supple, soft look. I added in a few drops of lemon juice, as well as a few drops of sunflower seed oil and vitamin E oil. All this coming together is going to give you this beautiful concoction of this chickpea good stuff mask, okay? So that's what I did. I'm going to leave this on for about maybe 15-20 minutes, let it sit and let it dry and kind of tighten, and then rinse it off, and I'll come back to you guys, okay? Well, actually, I'm going to do it now while I'm on camera. So you pretty much just apply it on your skin, avoiding the under eye area. It can be a little bit messy, so you might want to do it over your sink. Just dab it on there. And this should last for at least 7 days. Put it in the refrigerator. So you might want to make enough of it, if you want to do it at least, if you want to do it on yourself, maybe your friend, your sister, your mother. Having a facial mask at least once a week is going to really just have your skin looking flawless. It's going to help relax you, Also, it smells good too. It smells delicious because it has the coffee and the honey in it. Don't eat it. Although you probably could because everything's natural. Oh boy, I'm making a big mess over here. You can use this not only as a mask, but because the ground coffee is in there, you can also use it as a scrub as well. And it doesn't have to be just on your face. It can be an overall body mask or scrub as well, okay? The lemon's going to help also brighten your skin. If you have, dark spots, the lemon in it's going to also, with the chickpea flour, it's going to help really fade away your dark spots, even out your skin tone. It's kind of tingly a little bit because of the coffee, the caffeine in the coffee. I mean, it's not bad, but you will feel like, it working. Also, you can do your neck. I don't want to do my neck today, but when you're at home, you can also do your neck, put it on your neck as well. Again, avoid under your eye area because of the caffeine. You don't want the caffeine to dry your under eye area out, okay? The places where you have like extra like deep dark spots, you want to concentrate on that area. I don't have any dark spots, thank God, because all the products I use on my skin, everything is natural. When I do ever get like breakout with acne, it leaves like a dark spot of like. So when I put this on and be consistent with it, along with my other skincare regimen, in a week or so, it just automatically just fades away. Okay, so it's very important you guys have a skincare regimen. I keep just preaching over and over again. If you want to have that youthful appearance and have that clear, dewy, glowy skin, you have to take care of your skin. Skin is the largest organ on your body, and it just craves, the proper nutrients to keep it healthy. And you have to be consistent. You can't just use, products, once a month and think it's going to do magic. It doesn't work that way. The time you put in is the benefits you're going to get out of it. Okay, you guys? I know what I'm talking about, okay? I've been in a beauty business for years. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I do also specialize in skin. I do a lot of research and reading and just coming up with natural ingredients. I'm really big on just going vegan, anything that's natural. All this other garbage that they selling on the market, it has all these chemicals in it. It's really doing more harm than good to your skin. So the best thing you want to do is just try to stay organic. So all my products, that I do have that I will be offering to you guys on my website soon. We'll be launching maybe in a month or so. Everything is going to be just, all natural to enhance your natural beauty. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for about maybe 10 minutes or so, and I'll come back with you guys, okay? See you in a bit. Okay, y'all, I rinsed off the chickpea Good Stuff mask, and when I tell you, trust me, you guys got to try this. When I tell you my skin feels so tightened, I feel like I got an instant lift. I kid you not. My skin feels so cleansed and hydrated and moist. It feels super, super just soft. I have no makeup on whatsoever. This is my natural skin, okay? You guys can have the same thing too. Go ahead and try it. You're going to love it. At least use it at least once a week. You'll be glad you did. So now I'm going to also back it up with extra moisturizing protection with my Rose moisturizer. This is going to really just deep, even though my skin already feels moisturized, I'm going to be going outside in a bit. Today is hot outside and it's sunny, so I just want that extra protection. Now I did my organic Rose Skincare video. I'll put that in the show notes below. So those of you who haven't seen it yet, you can check that out as well. The Rose Skincare set is absolutely fantastic. You guys are going to love it as well. This moisturizer is going to make your skin super, super deep, duper soft. A little goes a long way. As I always say, you guys always go upstroke, okay, to defeat gravity. course, as we age, our skin begins to sag and lose its firmness and elasticity. So you want to do everything to work against Mother Nature. Always make sure you get your neck. Now the moisturizer, of course, you can put that underneath your eyes because it has a lot of oils in it and it's very gentle. I will be coming out with my eye cream. I've been doing some research and trying out several ones. So far, I haven't really found an eye cream that I like. I do suffer from, I have bags and dark circles like a lot of us ladies do, especially if you're not getting your proper rest or hormonal or just whatever, causes it, hereditary. So I'm really looking hard for a good eye cream that works. That'll be awesome. As soon as I find something, I'm going to test it for about maybe a good month. If it works, and I'm going to have that on my website as well. Okay? You always go up because you want to distribute the fat. If you're starting to sag, if you're aging, you always want to go up and put pressure on it to really bring that fat back up. Because what it is, you're pretty much losing collagen in your face. And once you lose collagen, your skin begins to gravity begins to sag as you get older. And then you have the frown lines and all that stuff. So I'm putting pretty good pressure on it. Then focus on the fine lines in your forehead. Go up. And these stress points here, make sure you massage it to help relieve tension and kind of, help you to relax. Okay, so that's the Rose moisturizing treatment I did. I'm going to also put some sunscreen on before I go outside. And then, lastly, I always back it up with this rose water toner. This is going to help lock everything in, everything that I just did. It's going to help lock the moisture in and tone as well. Oh, it feels so refreshing. You just want to let this naturally dry, air dry, and you'll be good to go. Okay, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed another skincare tutorial, and you guys are going to have to try it. Trust and believe. You're going to love this chickpea good stuff mask. It's going to really, really benefit your skin. And with using it every once a week, you're going to see remarkable difference in your tone and your texture. If you have acne, hyperpigmentation, it's going to all help it clear up, okay? Until next time, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of other good stuff coming your way to be the best version of yourselves. Love you. Until next time, you guys be blessed and stay cute. Bye. I'm doing a little Sade moves, you guys. I'm just playing with you guys. Anyway, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling fantastic. I put a little mascara on, a little lip gloss, a little eyeliner. I'm on my way out the door. I'm so glad you guys tuned in, and hopefully you'll try the mask. It'll greatly benefit you. Until next time, love you. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys take care and be blessed. And don't forget to stay cute.